Hello everyone, welcome to the free English learning classes by your English teacher Meenakshi Dudeja. To begin with this topic, first of all, we will learn in this video about what is report writing, what is the format of doing so, and in the end, to make it clear, we will have an example of report writing. It is a clear and concise write-up given for a specific purpose. If we go by the definition, that means it is clear. Clear means it should possess clarity of expression and must not deviate from the content. Report may be written for three purposes: for the school magazines, journals, or a newspaper. First of all, it must be written in the past tense. The second term used in the definition is concise. Now, what do we mean by concise? It means the report should be shorter in length, generally not more than 150 words, but it depends on the question given by the examiner. Always use indirect speech and passive voice while writing the report. We must take care of the following key points that should be remembered while writing a report. We do not use I or me while writing the reports. We use it in the third form. Now, whatever we write should possess a purpose, because a report is written to provide information about an event or an incident that took place in the recent past. Now, moving on, we must know what is the actual format of writing, because format has its own weightage of marks in the examination. A report always starts with a heading which is written in the middle of the line and in capital letters. It is followed by the name of the writer of the report along with his or her designation if provided in the question. Then is the body or the actual content. The second paragraph carries the main content as to how the event started and what were the highlights. The third paragraph will be the conclusion, and as usual, we should summarize the event with a positive note. The first paragraph of the body should have the introduction, which must clarify the answers to 5 W's. What, who, when, where, and why. Who were the participants, volunteers who participated? Now, to make it more clearer, we are now going to look into a sample report, and the question is as follows. Your school had the unique privilege of having been invited to witness a program of dance and drama titled Bharat Jaag Utha at the Red Fort in Delhi on the occasion of the 70th anniversary of India's independence. Write a report to be read out in the morning assembly of your school. You are Shobha or Sameer. As told in the format of the report writing, we will start by writing the heading of the report in the center of the line, and it should be in capital letters underlined by a pencil. That is, the heading can be an event to remember. As per the format, in the next line you will write by Shobha. Now begins the report. As told to you earlier, the report writing has to be written in the past tense, and it is always in indirect speech or passive voice. So, here we get started. It was a matter of great privilege for our institution to have been invited to witness a thrilling dance and drama program, Bharat Jag Utha, at the historic Red Fort on the auspicious occasion of the 70th anniversary of Indian independence. The spectacular, educative show, produced and presented by the artists of the drama division of All India Radio, brought alive the sacrifices made by the sons and the daughters of India during the struggle for freedom. It comprised of a dance drama titled Jagriti, an audiovisual show, and 2 patriotic songs. It also highlighted the progress India made in different domains since independence. Scenes depicting sacrifices infused the spirit of patriotism in the spectators. The memories of this colorful program are indelibly printed on our hearts. If you go by the format, in the introductory part, that is in the beginning of the report writing, we are solving the 5 W's, that is what, who, when, where and why. We are also having a mention of the participants and the volunteers who participated in it. Then is the main content, that what actually was the event about and what were the main highlights. And lastly, we summarized the event with a positive note. I hope you would have understood the concept of report writing, and I am ensured that you will definitely do well in this question and will be able to grasp more and more marks in your final examination. All the best for your future endeavors and have a nice day. Bye bye.